Unlock your squat potential and build serious muscle and strength by mastering the art of progressive overload. Progressive overload is the fundamental principle behind muscle growth and strength gains. Simply put, it means consistently challenging your muscles by gradually increasing the demand placed upon them over time. For squats, this translates to making your workouts harder in a structured way. The most common method is increasing the weight. If you can comfortably complete your target reps and sets with good form, the next time you squat, aim to add a small amount of weight to the barbell. Even a 25 or 5 pounds increase can make a difference. However, always prioritize perfect form. Losing your technique to lift heavier weight is counterproductive and can lead to injury. Ensure your chest is up, your back is neutral, your core is braced, and you're squatting to at least parallel or below. Another way to progress is by increasing the number of repetitions you perform with the same weight. If your program calls for 8 reps, and you can easily do 9 or 10 with solid form, then push for those extra reps. This increases the time your muscles are under tension, promoting hypertrophy. You can also progressively overload by increasing the number of sets. If you're doing 3 sets of 8 reps, consider adding a 4th set. Once you can comfortably achieve 8 reps on all 3 sets, this adds more overall volume to your training. Remember, consistency is key. Don't try to add weight, reps, and sets all in the same session. Pick one variable to increase each week or every couple of weeks, depending on your training experience and recovery. Listen to your body. If you're feeling overly fatigued or have pain, it's okay to deload or maintain the current intensity. Progressive overload is a marathon, not a sprint. By intelligently and consistently applying these principles, you'll build stronger legs and a more powerful physique.